Hello, my friends. Welcome back. We are here at Microsoft Ignite, and I've got a special guest here, Cyril Belikoff. And your title, we only have 5 minutes. I don't know if I can read all of it. VP Commercial Cloud and AI Marketing.
There you go. You got it.
I got it. Fantastic. So you were on the show yesterday talking about the marketplace with someone else.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to have a chat with Sarah.
Yeah, I bet that was cool. Can you give us like a tiny recap, and then we'll go on to the next thing?
Yeah. So we just GA'd the new Microsoft Marketplace globally, and that brings together all our marketplaces into one single place, new reimagined experience. So all cloud solutions, AI apps, agents, all in one place, whether they're running on Azure, Copilot agents, Teams add-ins, everything in one place.
So make sure you check that out. But we are here to talk about...
But hang on, before you jump in.
Please.
I wanted to check in with you, because I know Jared sort of threw you under the bus in the demo, in the keynote.
You know what?
You okay?
And he's the nicest guy.
Yeah,
and the
he's a
worst
good guy.
thing was that he was actually right. I actually messed it up. So if you have not watched the keynote, I actually put the wrong MCP server in my keynote demo. Not that anyone was watching.
Not a few people.
Not a few people. Thankfully, Microsoft Foundry caught it with Guardrails. So
There you
I was
go.
pretty excited about that. All right, so now we can go Azure Accelerate. It sounds like a cool program. Tell us about what it is.
Yeah. So basically, what Accelerate attempts to do is help our customers adopt Azure. Workload by workload, multiple workloads. We brought together, similar to the marketplace, but different, we brought together multiple programs. We might have spoken in the past about Azure Migrate and Modernize, Azure Innovate, the Factory. We brought together into one program so customers can get all the help they need, get technical help from either partners or Microsoft, get funds from us to help offset some of the partner costs, and then help them across all the different workloads from migration, modernization, AI, which I know you'd like.
I'm a huge fan.
And data stuff too.
That's amazing. So tell me a little bit about this, because is this like a white glove experience kind of thing, or is it software, or what is it?
It's actual help. So it's either
So
help.
white glove experience. Like,
Yes.
Come on in. We'll let you into the lounge and put you into Azure.
So either our partners or Microsoft resources from our Cloud Accelerate factory, helping customers deploy workloads, get what they need efficiently, high quality people, and then of course a little bit of funding to offset some of those costs.
So tell me about, let's just say I'm a new startup and I'm like, hey, I'm really good at making MCP servers that work this time. What would this program look like for me? What would Azure Accelerate look like?
Yeah, so they would go to their account rep or they'd go to their partner and they'd say, hey, I heard about this Azure Accelerate thing. Can you help me? And the account rep or the partner, they'd go and get the right resources, the funding, and then help them implement the workload and get onto Azure fast with the right skill sets.
So tell me about some of the benefits, because we've talked about it sort of from a holistic approach. What would it look like? Like, what kind of benefits are they? Like, I know you said money, but maybe we can zoom in a little bit.
Yeah, let's pick the Cloud Accelerate factory. It's a new benefit for Azure Accelerate. And that provides, from Microsoft, zero-cost deployment resources that will come in for probably 30-plus Azure services based on thousands and thousands of best practices and reference architectures, and accelerate the customer's time to Azure, working alongside the customer's partner or their own team to get to the cloud.
And so we're in the era of AI. Is AI like something else, or could it form part of this program as well?
Of course. It's all the workloads. So whether it's a VM, you're migrating VMware, whether it's a database, AI, or app mod. If you're modernizing code from on-prem code to the cloud, all of that can be handled by Azure Accelerate.
So I am sold. Let's just say someone's watching out there. How would you tell them to get started? I know you said something about a rep, but maybe give them a little bit more instructions on how to get started.
If you have an account rep or a partner, advanced certified partners can come and nominate the customer, so can the account rep. And then they'll take care of everything and get you in, and off they go.
Yeah, and the cool thing about Azure, and I might be a little bit of a homer for Azure.
Yeah.
There's a ton of different workloads that people can do. Is it a brand new program, or has anyone done it before? Or tell me about that.
Oh yeah, of course, bringing this together is new. We've had it for many, many years in the past. We just made it simpler. And since July, we have 8,000 implementation projects already going, cracking away. So lots of great customers.
That's amazing. So if you want to get started, go to aka.ms Azure Accelerate. Well, thanks so much, Cyril. And by the way, before we go, I want to make sure that people can see a little bit of what Azure Accelerate is. We have a little video that we want to play. Take a look.